Hello, I would like to invite you to come on a journey with these questions. How can I achieve what I really want to achieve? How can I have great health? How can I have better relationships with self and with people around? How can I earn more money? How can I increase my sales? Don't you have all these questions coming in? And the answers to all these questions lie within yourself. Yes, it's true. All the answers lie just within you, within your subconscious mind. However, the subconscious mind has some rules, which when followed, it will unleash the power within you. It will unleash the potential within you to achieve all the answers. However, if not known, the answers remain tagged, remain locked for the rest of your life. Today, I would like to invite you to the workshop named as the How Can I Workshop, which will help you, which will give you an experience what is the power of the subconscious mind. Once known, you will be able to unlock all the answers. To know more about this workshop, log into www.bipranenterprises.com. Thank you.